What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at a scent from Scentbird that my husband actually got. Just wanted to kind of give my review on it because I feel like if you're a guy and you're buying a scent, you kind of want to know what the ladies are going to think about it. So I'm just going to give my perspective on it. This is a very popular scent in the cologne world. It's on like every top 10, 5, whatever list of colognes that there is. And it's actually Aventus. If you have heard of it, well, you know that it's very popular. If you haven't, I would definitely suggest checking it out. I love when my husband wears this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the little card that actually came with it, just kind of letting you know everything about it. On the back it has some ingredients and stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and read that for you guys. It says, the exceptional Aventus was inspired by the dramatic life of a historic emperor, celebrating strength, power, and success. Introduced in 2010 and crafted by the deft hand of 6th generation master perfumer Olivier Creed with his son Erwin, the scent has grown to become the best-selling fragrance in the history of the brand. So like I said, it's a really good perfume, or a really good cologne rather. And as far as the keynotes, we have bergamot, pineapple, patchouli, musk, and ambergris, and it is made in France. So that is pretty cool. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but this is actually from Scentbird. Scentbird, if you don't know what Scentbird is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for fragrances. I guess people just assume when they hear about it that you don't get to pick your own fragrances, like it's just a surprise, but you actually can pick whatever fragrance that you want that they have. They have tons and tons of fragrances to choose from, and you just get like a little sample size, and if you do want to buy a full bottle, you have that option as well, but you actually get to pick the scents. You don't have to worry about getting surprised or anything and not liking it. So, and that's another cool thing about Scentbird is you get a smaller bit. So instead of paying, you know, $400 for a bottle of cologne, you can pay, I believe it's $14.99 a month. But I will be leaving all of the information for Scentbird down in the link below. But let's go ahead and get into the scent itself. Give it a little test. You can tell it's a pretty strong scent because I haven't even sprayed it yet, and I can definitely smell it. So let's go ahead and give it a spray. It's definitely a good scent. Definitely manly. Definitely has manly vibes, but not too manly. It's not like real musky or spicy. It's clean, kind of sporty feeling, I think I would say. I definitely like this one. Like I said, I love when my husband wears this one. I feel like it's one of those scents where you can't really go wrong with it. You know, it fits kind of whatever occasion. I don't feel like it's one of those scents that have, you know how some scents have more of like a summer vibe or a fall vibe, or, you know. I feel like it's kind of universal. You know, I feel like you could wear it any time of the year. Really nice smell. I feel like it's a lady killer right there, guys. So, definitely, let me know what you think about the Aventus. If you've tried it before, if you haven't, I will be leaving a link to Scentbird down in the description below if you want to check it out. And they also have a referral program, so if you sign up using my link, I'll get a free scent and you'll also get a free scent, which is really cool. It'll help my channel out a lot, and I would definitely appreciate that. And just another little side note, Creed actually has another scent that I personally really like a lot. Maybe even more than the Aventus. I'm not sure. It's kind of a toss-up for me. But that is the Creed Silver Mountain. So I will be doing a review on it to kind of let you know some of the keynotes and everything. So stay tuned if you do want to hear about that one as well, because I feel like Aventus is a lot more popular. But the Creed Silver Mountain is definitely just as good, if not better, in my personal opinion. So stay tuned for that. I definitely want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you want to try Scentbird, if you're curious, have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!